In the realm of machine learning, where data reigns supreme, uncovering relationship between variables is a cornerstone of unlocking valuable insights. So, ordinary least squares (OLS) is a fundamental technique that tackles this very challenge, specifically in the context of simple linear regression. So now we have our data points. So then, how do we know which one is the best fit line? So is this one, this one, this one, this one, or this line? As you can see, we can draw multiple lines through our data points. So how do we know what is the best fit line? So to find this, we can use ordinary least squares method. That means OLS method in simple terms. So the way it works in a visual sense is we need to tackle our data points and project them vertically onto our linear regression line. So now we would need to do this for every single line uh, that we are considering. But for simplicity's sake, in this tutorial, we are just going to do it with this line here in this middle line. So now for each pair of points, we have to calculate the residual. So the residual is actually the difference between the observed value and the predicted values. So then you can calculate residuals for each pair of data points. We can calculate residual between this pair of points, this one pair, this pair, this pair, this pair, this pair, and this pair. So after you calculate residuals for all these pair of points for this line, now you can get the square value of that differences. That means residuals, and sum up those all values. So then you can get a single value for this line. So same as this process, you can calculate sum of square values for each of these lines. Finally, from all of these sums, you can select least sum value as the best fit line. So from this method, the objective is to minimize the error between the real values and the predicted values. So that's all for OLS method. So in the next video, we will see how we can implement simple linear regression algorithm using Python. Until then, bye bye.